In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get email notifications from Microsoft Forms to a different email with Power Automate. By the end, anytime someone fills out your form, an automatic email will land in the inbox you choose. Perfect for routing submissions to a shared mailbox, a team distribution list, or a personal address that isn't tied to the form owner. Start by signing in to Power Automate. From the homepage, click Create, then choose Automated Cloud Flow. This type of flow runs in the background as soon as something happens, in our case, a form response. Give your flow a clear, memorable name so you can find it later in your list of flows. For the trigger, search for Microsoft Forms and select when a new response is submitted. This tells Power Automate to watch your selected form for new entries. Use the Form ID dropdown to pick the exact form you want to monitor. If you don't see it, make sure you have permission to access that form under the same account you're using in Power Automate. Next, add a new step and choose the Microsoft Forms connector again. Select Get Response Details. This action pulls the actual answers from the submission so you can use them in your email. Set the form ID to the same form as before, and in Response ID, insert the response ID from the Dynamic Content panel. This links the trigger to the details from the specific response that just came in. Now add another step and search for Office 365 Outlook. Choose Send an Email, V2. In the To field, type the destination email address where notifications should go. This can be any email you want to notify. You can also use CC or BCC if you need copies, but keep it concise to avoid cluttering inboxes. Customize your subject and body using dynamic content so the message is useful at a glance. For example, include the respondent's name in the subject and key answers in the body. It helps to add labels before each dynamic field, like name or comments, so the email reads clearly. If your organization prefers a standardized look, you can format the body with simple HTML or line breaks for readability. Finally, save your flow and submit a test response on the form. Check the inbox you specified to confirm the email arrives with the correct details. If nothing shows up, look in junk, verify the destination address, and review the flow's run history for any errors. That's it. You've automated Microsoft Forms notifications to a different email with Power Automate.